Imagine stepping off a bus and straight into a living classroom where every forest, mountain hollow, and small town tells a story of change, resilience, and community-driven development. For 12 immersive days, the Appalachian Field Course guided graduate students in place-based learning, exploring Appalachian history, agroforestry practices, local economic models, and community leadership in action.
If you're not from Appalachia, you really have to see this to understand it and listen to the people who live here and have lived here throughout all of this. If you're thinking about doing community work and you're thinking about doing problem solving, the community is the center of the solution. And you have to be able to work with them in a way, in future generations university, because it's an applied degree. You're not just going to sit there and talk about theory. You're actually going to go out into the community. You're going to work. It can be hard to work that way, but you're going to see, it's going to change your life.
When you learn beside community champions, like Appalachian farmers, artisans, and business owners, you see how culture and economics intertwine. Peer-to-peer engagement is at the heart of this journey. Late-night conversations, collaborative problem-solving sessions, and weekend presentations to local stakeholders. By course end, participants walk away with not only academic credit, but a network of peers, mentorship from local leaders, and tangible skills to foster sustainable change.
This is a unique course where you don't have to mug up things, you don't have to cram. You have to experience and then you have to apply. This is what our society needs today. Application-based education is the need of the time, and this course is one, and I think it should be throughout the world.
We hope you'll join us. Experience a Future Generations field course where academic rigor, community wisdom, and collaboration converge to shape tomorrow's leaders.